Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Put It with Sarthak. Today I have brought another amazing podcast for you guys. आज के हमारे podcast के guest है Vishali. So she has got offers from Amazon, Walmart, BNY Mellon and other companies as well. She will be sharing her experiences in these companies. In the part one of this video, we will be exploring what was the interview process, how did she apply, and what was the experience altogether, what kind of questions were asked, what were the number of rounds, and how difficult were the questions, like were they difficult, medium, or on the difficulty scale they were very difficult or easy, and what are the different other aspects, like apart from the coding questions, what were the other kind of questions that were discussed, that were asked to her in this video. We will be discussing all these things. Apart from that, we will also be discussing and emphasizing about the theoretical kind of questions dependent on the OS side, the networking, the DBMS, and the other questions related to these computer fundamentals. Also, what are the questions that were associated with the projects and internships? How did she find an internship? What were her projects and how did she find those amazing projects for her resume? In the second part of the video, we will be discussing a lot about in detail about her Walmart culture, what are the keys, responsibilities, and what is she doing as a software developer at Walmart? How is the task defined there? What are the different mechanisms while you work there? And we will also be finding out what are the resources she used to prepare for these interviews as well. So without further ado, let's start with the video. And before starting with the video, let me thank the supporter of this channel, Newton School. So guys, what is Newton School? Newton School एक edtech startup है जहाँ पे you can learn more about different technologies out there. They will help you get job offers from these top tech companies. एंड उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको ₹1 भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. दे हैव वेरी गुड ऑफरिंग्स विद दिस कोर्स, live classes, industrial projects, mock interviews, and personal mentoring. I will put the link in the description, and I suggest you all to check this out and explore their courses. So, hello everyone. Today we are with a very special guest, Vaishali. She is working as an SD at Walmart, and I know Vaishali from because we are from the same college, MAIT, and she has been doing a wonderful job there, and she has got some wonderful experiences to share today with our video. Um, I will be moving with Vaishali. If you can share your introduction.
Yeah. Hi everyone. So I'm Vaishali Thakur. As Sarthak mentioned that we are from same college. I know him since then, and yeah. So currently I'm working as a software engineer at Walmart, and I'm the co-founder of Girl Coded. So I think yeah, that's pretty much about me.
Okay. Yeah. So since you said you are working as SD software developer at Walmart, like how did you get into software development and what made you move into this domain?
It's a pretty silly thing. Like at the age of 12, my teacher asked me, "What do you want to become?" And without knowing what software engineer is, I said software engineer. So, and since then, my plans changed to doctor, to IAS, and something. But gradually, I developed interest in coding. Like when I entered in BTech, उसके बाद I started liking coding, then developing. So since then, like I decided, oh, I should pursue my career in software development. So that was, I think, the turning point. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, कोई भी उम्र में कोई भी ऐसा डिसीजन नहीं है. बचपन में बच्चे बोलते हैं इंजीनियर, यहाँ पे हो गया, बचपन में डिसाइड हो गया सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनना है. Nice. Okay. So what was the procedure? Like, how did you apply to Walmart? Like, how did you decide for Walmart as a company? What was the thinking behind that?
Yeah. So in sophomore year, I heard about Walmart. It's so good working culture. Since then, I wanted to apply at Walmart, but being from tier 3 college, I never thought that I would get an opportunity. But and after I got placed at BNY, I was done with that. But in I think June 2021, I found out about the hiring contest from Walmart, that was Coders. So I thought this is the very good opportunity for me. I had to apply for Walmart. So I participated in that contest, and there were, I think, online assessments, and post that I got an opportunity to interview with Walmart.
Okay. So you mentioned that you have also worked at BNY Mellon. Are there any other opportunities that you were like you were able to crack, and any other offers that were at the time?
By that time, I had an offer from BNY Mellon and Seekify Technologies, from where I interned and I received a PPO.
Okay.
Then I received offer from Walmart, and post that I received another offer from Amazon.
Oh,
So
nice.
yeah,
So
but I finally decided to move to Walmart only.
okay. So for the folks listening, Walmart is one of the best companies. I think one of the largest company in terms of workforce, as far as I know. But like having a multiple offer is a good thing, and I think Vishal is one of the right example that you can have multiple offers and still choose whichever works with you, whichever works with your engagement and other processes. Okay, coming back to the whole process, like what was the interview process like? How many rounds were there? And if you can spare any details about each specific round in terms of questions.
Yeah. So they were in total 5 rounds.
Mhm,
As per the Coders contest, there were 2 online assessments. So first one was an MCQ round for computer fundamentals only. So
mhm,
specifically, object-oriented programming and operating systems were asked in that MCQ round. Post that, we had a coding round, which had 2 questions. Those were medium to hard level questions.
okay.
I think, as far as I remember, one question was from hash maps and the other one was from trees or graphs, something like
Mhm,
that. So it was medium to hard level. And I could do, I think, 1.6 or 7 part of that, those 2 questions.
okay.
And the qualifying criteria was 50 or 55%. So I qualified for the interviews.
Mhm,
Then I got the call for interview rounds. So all the interviews were supposed to be taken place on first day only, like on the
okay.
same day, all 3 rounds. So, and at that time I had my Amazon rounds were also going on. So at that
Okay.
particular day I had 4 interviews. So
Uh,
three for Walmart and one for Amazon.
uh-huh,
So yeah, so first technical round was completely theoretical.
mhm,
It just like object-oriented programming, operating system,
mhm,
database management. These 3 were hardly touched in that round. So it was completely theoretical. No coding questions were asked in that round for the
okay.
first technical round. Then
Mhm,
for the second technical round, it happened, I think, after 3 hours of my first round.
mhm,
Then it was a mixed round. This was, I think, the best round I had till date. So
okay.
he asked me one coding question,
Mhm,
then discussed about some algorithms, searching and sorting algorithms, just the basic
mhm,
things.
okay.
Then he asked me two puzzles, and
Okay.
those puzzles took me, I think, 15 minutes for those 2 puzzles.
Mhm,
Uh, yeah, and that was it for this round. And then he was so good. Like in the end, he said, "What any questions for me?" So I just thanked him to for making me so comfortable for this interview. Like you are
mhm,
usually nervous for interviews, so I didn't feel like that for the whole round. It was
okay.
from the beginning to the end. It was so beautiful. Like I heard about Walmart, it was similar to that one. And in fact, in the end, he said, "Oh, I am also from tier 3 college, so I can feel your pain." So we
Alright.
laughed at it. So that
Okay.
was, yeah. So it was most friendly interview I had
Mhm,
ever had. And then I think after half an hour, I got a call for a hiring manager round.
mhm,
So she asked me about my internship experience at Seekify. So
okay.
all my responsibilities, all my mistakes that I
Mhm,
committed, the architecture that was followed there, and everything, all my responsibilities and all. So
mhm,
deeply into my internship experience. Then she also asked me one puzzle, and post that she just confirmed my location preference. We had Bangalore and Chennai, so I had opted for Bangalore,
okay.
and then she just said, "Okay, then we are done for the day."
Mhm,
And then HR said, "You will get the results by tomorrow."
okay.
So just then I waited for it, and that was the most restless night,
Right.
because because after interview, if you don't know when the result is going to come, then you are a little stress free. But if you know the result is going to come the next day, you're stressed
Mhm,
more about it.
correct.
So
कल वो D day है.
that
हाँ.
हाँ. So पूरी रात I was like, कब आएगा, पॉजिटिव आएगा, नेगेटिव आएगा, क्या आएगा. तो बस वही था फिर नेक्स्ट डे अराउंड आई थिंक 11 a.m. or around 12 I got the confirmation you
Okay,
are selected as software engineer. So the beautiful day, beautiful start,
right.
and that's how it all happened.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
आई थिंक काफी रेस्टलेस हो जाता है एंड आई थिंक ऐसा भी होता है कि आप आपके इंटरव्यू के रिजल्ट के टाइम यू आर एंशियस, योर फैमिली इज एंशियस, इवन योर फ्रेंड्स आर एंशियस एट दैट टाइम कि क्या
Yeah.
होगा. दे आर ऑल आस्किंग कैसा इंटरव्यू गया, व्हाट इज योर अजम्पशन, लाइक यू
Yeah.
आर समथिंग लाइक मेरा तो अच्छा ही होता है बट इट्स ऑल डिपेंड ऑन अदर पर्सन, राइट? ओके.
Yeah.
And you mentioned like काफी hectic day था, you have Walmart interviews, Amazon interview clashing, like it's a hard job कि आप manage कर पाओ. Like
हाँ.
एक दिन में 3-4 बार इंटरव्यूज देना, you have to sit straight, you have to think about things, your brain is at
Yeah.
your 100% capacity, like working very hard. It's
Mhm.
great. And like you mentioned a very unique thing, like this is very true for me as well. So अच्छी companies में ये I have noticed that the interviewer makes you very comfortable. Like
Yeah.
uh, they talk you like the way they talk, the things they talk about is so good that eventually all the nervousness goes away and
Yeah.
you're as comfortable as possible. You're not feeling that it's an interview, it's for life and death situation. You're casually
Yeah.
talking with the person, and I think
Yeah.
your brain also works at an optimum and good capacity, and like it's not diverted with the stress and everything at the background.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree.
Yeah, I can totally relate to that. Even in one of my rounds, if I can remember, uh, there was one interview. He made me so comfortable that at that time I was having some light feverish, but even I like got better after that interview. Like the fever was gone. I was so scared that I might sneeze and I might have a good, like bad round at that time. But वो चला गया. So
Yeah.
it's nice. So if
Yeah.
I have to
It's
go,
you. Mm.
sorry, you were
Yeah.
something.
So it's really it's really difficult to be a good interviewer. Like
Hmm.
you can be a good or bad interviewee, but it takes a lot to be a good interviewer. So it's very rare to find such interviewers. So like
Correct,
I was very thankful to him by the end. I just thanked him to be so good with me. Yeah.
correct. Yeah, I agree. So basically, if you're a good, very good interviewer, it leaves a mark. Like you will always remember that interviewer. You will always cherish
Yeah.
that company. कि यार, that was one of the best interviews that I had. It was a very good
Yeah.
experience. Like, yeah, I think it's a very good learning to have a like even to have an interview at very good companies. It will be an amazing experience for everyone. Like I can recommend that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so what was like, how much time did it take from the application procedure to getting the final offer letter? Like, how was this long process? And if you can spare in details, like, were there any further discussions or anything that was blocker, or is it like a simple, like straightforward process? If you can share any details of that.
Yeah. So the online assessment rounds started, I think, in mid-June.
Mm-hmm,
Till then, until then, to the end of the process, I think it took 15 to 16 days.
mm-hmm,
After my online assessment rounds, I think a week later, we got the results that who all are selected for the interviews.
okay,
And it was, I think, the interviews was started after a week of the online assessment,
mm-hmm,
and the interviews started in alphabetical order.
okay,
So mine was to the end. So
okay,
so I had to wait for another 1 week. My friend, her name was Anjali, so she had it first day. So she was selected, she got the result, and I was nervous because I too wanted, like both of us wanted to be in the same company.
mm-hmm,
Like if you are college friends, you do want to be with the person. So
right,
I was like, कि jaldi se ek hafta khatam ho and I get the interview.
right,
So yeah, and then the interviews happened the same day, all the interviews,
mm-hmm,
and I got the result the next day. So I
mm-hmm.
think in all it took, I think, 15 to 16 days in total.
ओके. आई थिंक वो 1 वीक जहाँ पे आपके फ्रेंड का हो जाता है और आपका इंटरव्यू का वेटिंग रहता है, दैट लुक्स लाइक अ 1 ईयर फॉर मी एज वेल.
Yeah.
तो वो काफी काफी टायरसम एक्सपीरियंस होता है. लाइक यू हैव टू वेट एंशियसली क्या होगा. मे बी दे विल शॉर्टलिस्ट, मे बी दे विल कम टू राउंड, दे माइट द इंटरव्यूअर माइट एग्जॉस्ट आफ्टर 1 वीक ऑफ इंटरव्यूइंग. So like,
Mhm.
mhm. Okay. And
Yeah.
if I have to say, like, what was your preparation methodology for Walmart interviews? What are the different resources that you referred to? Like any special, I would say, website, blog, book, or video that you referred for explicitly for Walmart interview preparations?
Mhm. Yeah, so for any interview, I keep it in mind that there are only three major things that you need to be prepared for.
Mm-hmm.
One is DSA, then you have to be good with the computer fundamentals,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have to be thorough with the resume, like the projects and your internships. So these are the three main things that you have to be prepared for. So for DSA, I think I used to practice on Code Forces, and
Mm-hmm.
when I was near to the interviews, I used to practice on binarysearch.io.
Okay.
So that's out of lead code, interview bit, and binarysearch.io. My
Mm-hmm.
personal favorite is binarysearch.io because in that you can create a room for yourself and just if you want to prepare company wise, you can select a company and then random
Mm-hmm.
questions will come, or you can select a topic, then random questions from that topic will come. And the
Okay.
best thing is there is a timer for each question. So
Mm-hmm.
if it's an easy question, you have 5 or 6 minutes time for that question.
Mm-hmm.
For medium question, you have 10 to 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So like that. So you for interviews, time is very important. So
Right.
this helps me. This helped me in preparing like time bounded preparation.
Correct.
So just because of that, I like binary search very much. So for DSA, this much, and for like company specific, I used to read interview experiences of other
Mm-hmm.
people and prepared accordingly. I just compiled questions from all the interview experiences and prepared for them because,
Mm-hmm.
like, I feel I'm not very good with the spontaneous responses. So I try to prepare beforehand, like as much as I can prepare.
Mm-hmm.
So, and for everyone else, it's better to prepare beforehand for every kind of situation, every kind of question you can face. You should be prepared for that beforehand.
Mm-hmm.
As much as you can prepare. So that was my strategy for every interview. Like I used to read 10 to 15 interview experiences as much as I could find out and compile them and prepared accordingly.
Mm-hmm.
So that was for the DSA part. And for the computer fundamentals, most of them we have it in our college curriculum as well. So during that time, I used to follow one YouTube tutorial for that, and I prepared notes at that time only.
Okay.
So for before interviews, I just referred to those notes.
Mm-hmm.
So that was pretty easy. Like before interviews, you don't have any stress. Like for me, it's if I have notes prepared, then it's easy to go through them. Like if I can for computer fundamentals, I can take only 1 to 2 hours and I can prepare all because I have notes prepared for them.
Mm-hmm.
And so yeah, so that way that helped me preparing notes beforehand.
Okay.
And for the projects and internships, the projects were for girl coded only.
Mm-hmm.
So I was clear about it, what I have to say. So I just prepared about it beforehand, like 5 to 10 minutes about my project and my internships. Like if I have to just introduce about my project and everything. So I had prepared about that. So that helped me. Like interviewer can ask you just about explain your project. So just
Right.
prepare about 2 to 3 minutes about that. You want to what you want to say about that project. That eye catching lines.
Mm-hmm.
So just prepare that. So I just prepared about that, and I think this much helped me. Most important is only coding. So practice about that. So practicing coding and rest were just side preparations, and they were good.
Okay. Yeah, I can say that certainly getting prepared for all those questions is way better than thinking of spontaneous responses at that time. Like you're very well aware that if you have listed any project, they might ask a question about that project or internship, or so it's better to prepare in advance about those things and prepare a statements that you want to throw at them. And if you have any special words or special things that you want to highlight, you can do that while preparing. So yeah,
Yeah.
so for all the guys who are listening, be prepared for the interviews and prepared for each and every aspect of it, not the coding part, not the computer fundamentals. You have to be prepared for all those things as well. So have a good practice of the coding part, have the good practice of your computer fundamentals, and then also work along what you have written for the projects and internships. You can prepare for that as well. Yeah. Okay. Uh, so So guys, we come to the end of this video, the part 1 with Vishali. I hope you guys learned a lot about Walmart and its interview experience, how she was able to crack those interviews in the time, how she managed the anxiety and the different kind of stress that was part of interview process, and how it makes a lot of difference for the getting an interview at a big company where the interviewer makes you whole comfortable and makes the whole process very smooth and relaxing. Okay, if you really like this video, I will really appreciate if you can share this with your guys and subscribe to this channel. जितनी बार आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, जितने सारे लोग सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, it will give me motivation. It helps me a lot in bringing more such content for you guys, and it also helps me getting these amazing folks at different companies to my channel for their podcast, क्योंकि वो अपने काफ़ी busy schedule से time निकालते हैं. It takes a lot of effort to record these videos and bring such amazing awesome content for you guys.